friends, this is Harika from Purple Team. Today I would like to discuss about how we are managing our project using Agile project management tool, that is Mingle, and the progress of the project for this sprint. Yeah, the name of the project we created in the Mingle is evaluation form. This template is Scrum template. We can choose our specified template when creating the project. The available templates in the Agile management, that is Mingle is the Kanban, Agile, Scrum. For our project named evaluation form, we have chosen the template, that is Scrum. Let's go into the details of what are all the walls that are available on the Scrum. Coming into the story map, it is organized with goals, features, stories and tasks. Let's go in detail. Goals are the things we want to achieve in the current sprint. Features are the project functionality in which we set our goals, whereas stories correspond to the piece of work incorporated in goals to build the feature. Tasks are the work items in the story. The detailed view of the story card. Description. This description provides us a detailed note on the goal we need to achieve. Coming to the acceptance criteria, here we see whether the required specifications are met in order to accept the task. The tasks which are related to the story can be added here. This is the actual work. In these tasks is the actual work we do to our project. The other option we have in the story card is we can add the defects if found while performing the tasks. Coming to the product backlog. Product backlog. This shows the work which is not yet prioritized. As our goals are well performed for upcoming sprints, we don't have any unplanned stories. To illustrate for you how to add cards in the product backlog, let's add a card. Then click on the add card. Select the card type. It may be of any type that are available in the drop down menu. It may be a goal, feature, story. Let's select it as a story card and name it as DEF. We have an option where we can add details. As we scroll down, we can see sprint tree with a drop down. Select the product backlog option if you want to add the card to the product backlog. Then the card will be moved to the product backlog. Yeah, let's check out. This DEF card came into the product backlog of type story. Then coming to the release plan. Release plan helps us to view plan releases according to sprints and features. Okay, then coming to the estimation board. This estimation board helps you to estimate the stories for one sprint. This is the time it shows stories of our current sprints. Okay, coming to the sprint board. This shows us where we stand in our current sprint by showing us the progress using different status like to do, in dev, testing, done. Coming to the to do have tasks which have to be started. Dev have tasks which are in progress. Coming to the testing, in testing we'll have tasks which are prone to defects, as I said earlier, where we are discussing on the story map wall. Yeah, done. As the name itself says that our tasks are done. The cards which are done, we change it as done, and the cards will automatically move into the done tab. Okay, then we have a cool option, that is cycle time, where it represents as the time taken for our task. While creating our project in the Mingle, we have added all the cards in one day. So it's showing as the completed task taken only one day. If we actually doing the task parallelly in the project and updating them in the Mingle, it shows us the actual time that we have taken to perform those tasks. Okay, then coming to retrospective plan, this looks similar to the sprint board, but there is a major difference. Here we add tasks which does not meet the specification after we have completed that task. Then coming to the all tab. All tab consists of all the cards which are related to this project, that is evaluation form. The cards may be of any type, all the types that are available in the project. That may be a goal, feature, story, task, defect. Then the actual assigning of the tasks which are dependent on stories is done here. Means assigning the tasks which are related to a particular story can be done by coming into the all tab, and we can modify. Okay, last but not least, coming to the overview tab, the overall process can be seen in the graphical form with these charts. The charts are burn up, burn down, and velocity versus scope, and work down by sprints. Okay, this is all the what we can manage the project in this Mingle. Then coming to the project status for this sprint, now I would like to discuss about the progress of our project. Yeah, coming to the mailbox, this is the link of the evaluation form received by me to evaluate, in order to evaluate the evaluatee. Okay, just as we click the link, it redirects to the evaluation form web page. As soon as the evaluator submits the response, it will go to his evaluatee's mail page. Let's evaluate him. Okay, we select the person as Sunindra Banda, and myself Harika, and let's rate him. The organization 5, content knowledge 3, presentation 4, presentation length 4, delivery 5, visuals 5, add comments. Cool. Enter the evaluator tech ID and submit. As soon as the evaluator submits the response, the evaluatee will receive the mail about his performance in the form of response. Here, point to be noted is, the evaluatee does not have any idea of who the evaluator is. This is the prototype how we receive the mail. In the upcoming sprints, we would like to enhance by adding the new features like calculating the averages of overall responses and standard deviations of the response. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.